All right, all right, all right. Another rough day in the market. We're about to close any minute now. And this is always the roughest time. There it is. There it is. All right. So on the daily, a rather strong um, downward bar. Momentum keeps fading. Could be more of the same tomorrow. I really didn't expect this much activity, just given the fact that we have so much going on ahead of us and non-farm at the end of the week. This might be the flush out. We got three trending down bars in a row. I mean, you could even say four. There's three in a row. We might get a retrace tomorrow. Um, but here's a reversion right here. Yet we got aggressive on the downside. Looks kind of scary on the daily. When we jump over to the 60-minute, we actually have a divergence. We're making a lower low here and a higher low down here. So that's kind of encouraging. And you can see the momentum fading to the upside. This actually was a green bar shortly before the close. So I was hoping that it would close on a green bar, but that's okay. Let's see what we get tomorrow. Maybe we pick up a few stickies. We just have to let all this work its way out, man. This is October, and this is what October offers us. What's interesting on the 10-year is that we are up for the day off the close, but it looks like we're fading, and the momentum is fading, and we'll see. Again, I think that we're going to tag this 1409, and that should help Tex out a little bit, at least give us our next boost up. Take a quick look at Apple for my free folk friends, and just negative, trending down, coming down with the rest of the tech. So you could just hold off. I don't really know a good entry for you. Actually, you might see another 5 points down, 35. I think start looking for something that gives me an indication that it's going to reverse. I mean, you really can't get hurt. It's just a matter of figuring out what the best time to buy Apple is. I mean, yeah, it's a good long-term play. Still negative on the 60. Just no entry there. No setup. Amazon, I'm not interested in. We talked about ARC Innovations. This is Kathy Wood's ETF, and people have put a short on it, and it sure is getting shorted. 30 points off the high, roughly. And I think we could look for that to continue to come down. I wouldn't chase it here, though, if you didn't make that move. And let's take a look. Bank of America. I like Bank of America. I like financial stocks. Interest rates are going to go up. These guys are going to make money. You could see the trend reversal. Breaking this high is a good entry. The high being 4407. I'd look for an entry there. I like Disney. You know, I like Disney. Been liking Disney. Personally, I'd buy Disney anywhere, but if you want an aggressive move once it breaks that 179.45, should start moving up aggressively. You should see that 185 shortly after, and then maybe it will continue. But buying it on dips is a phenomenal philosophy, if you ask me. This is the palladium company that I talked about, and I like this. If you're looking to trade it, you can go in breaking the high of 193.01, but I'd buy it just down here, just start chipping away every time it dips. Once the automobile industry opens up, you're going to see palladium skyrocket. I do believe. Virgin Galactic's beating the hell out of me. I'm sticking with it. It's just a long-term hold for me, so I'm not worried about it. TBT is a short on bonds. Interest rates go up, bonds come down, so and it's holding up. So you could look at it. I figure easy $22 number by the end of end of the year. 28 ultimately, I'm thinking. But she's jacked up. You could buy it on dips. You could buy it here. Just buy it. Um, Tesla's getting some love, and looks like it's going to sell off over here on the daily. So I wouldn't get too aggressive in picking it up. I'll just keep buying it on dips. Viacom beating the hell out of me, but again, I still think this is a $62 number, $64 number. We'll stay bullish as long as it stays above that trend line. Verizon, good company, pays a nice dividend every time it's cheap. Dividend yield goes up. Good stock to sock away. ExxonMobil, I told you I like that. There's no technical. It's just strong. It's running on oil, and it pays a nice dividend. I'm sure the dividend's close to 6. Yeah, you know, plus or minus right now. We've been buying it around 50, 55. It'll trade between 50 and 70. So good move on that. And some of the fun stuff that the free folk like to look at. Plug Power, or this is a fuel cell. No entry right now. I mean, I like the company, but there's no entry right now. I'm sure Plug looks the same. On the technicals, if you're brave, you could buy it around 23.73. If you're brave, it's not really giving me an index. Well, there is a divergence here, but it's in a channel, so it's got to do its work to get out of it. Meta Materials, I don't see an entry. AMC, we still have that trend line. Stay bullish until it breaks that trend line. Smile Direct, I don't even know what the heck that is. No interest. Just doing what the market's doing. Really no reason to throw any money at this stuff until all this nonsense comes out of the market and we start moving again. Lucid, I believe it is. Yeah, Lucid Group. It's not showing me anything. Sophie Tech. Just stay bullish above this trend line right down here. So anyway, that's it. That's the wrap. Don't let this stuff get to you. Everybody just be cool. When you're trading, just be at peace. And good luck trading.